For those of you wondering in the short, how is the answer not 3? It's such a straightforward question. For the record, even the test makers themselves put 3 as the answer. So then what's the real answer? It's 4, an answer that wasn't even in the answer choices. Now you would think that because the circumference of circle A is 1/3 the circumference of circle B, that A would travel 3 times around itself to get to the starting point, because 3 times the radius that B has over A. But in reality, you would take into account the centers of the circles and the distances between them. Let's say the radius of circle A was 1, as shown in the picture, and the radius of circle B was 3. This would mean that in any given moment in time, the distance between the center of circle A and circle B is 1 plus 3, which is 4, right here. So, in reality, circle A is actually traveling 4 units away from circle B. This can be better visualized if we imagine the center of circle 1 on a track of radius 4. So something like this. Sorry, bad circle. If we imagine the center as traveling on a circular track of radius 4, the problem is fairly simple to explain. This would now mean for a point on the edge of the circle to travel the same distance as the center point, it would need to rotate around itself 4 times, since the circumference of the track is 4 times the circumference of A. Hence, 4. This problem is called the coin paradox and can be repeated using 2 identical coins. Mark a starting point with a pen in any 2 identical coins. It can be any 2 coins. And since the effective radius is double because the center of 1 is twice as far from center of 2 as its radius, it's as if the revolving coin is on a track of the coin of radius 2. So you can see that it'll take 1 coin of radius 1, 2 rotations to travel around the other coin of radius 1. So now guys, please don't worry. SAT math would never go to these lengths to trick you. And this is evident from the enormous brain that the creators of the 1982 SAT had. The SAT follows a basic pattern. And like most standardized tests, most SAT trick questions can really be avoided if you have great algebra and arithmetic skills and can read very carefully. So please don't sweat it. So remember, as long as you have the algebra skills necessary and are great readers, you will rock this test. And don't worry, we will have plenty of videos working on all algebra and statistics skills tested on the SAT. And for those of you planning on taking the ACT instead, our videos will cover those skills as well. Stay tuned and good luck for your tests. You got this.